Think Excel is just for making tables and budgets. Think again. In 2025, Excel isn't just a spreadsheet tool, it's a data command center. If you're applying for roles like data analyst, financial analyst, or operations lead, chances are employers expect more than just copy and paste. So the big question is, are your Excel skills keeping up with the job market? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we turn data skills into career growth. If you're a young professional, a job seeker, or someone just trying to upgrade from Excel basics, this video is your game plan for 2025. We're breaking down the top 5 Excel skills that US employers are actively looking for right now. We'll show you real examples, explain why each skill matters, and help you figure out which one to learn next. Sound good? Let's get into it. Ever wish Excel could just clean up your messy data automatically? Power Query is the tool for that. It lets you import, transform, and automate data cleaning without writing a single formula. Think: importing messy CSVs, removing duplicates, splitting columns, filtering out bad rows. And the best part, you hit refresh, and Excel updates everything instantly. Real-world use. A project manager pulls weekly sales data from 4 regions. Instead of cleaning each file manually, Power Query does it in seconds. Master this, and you'll be miles ahead of the average user. Have you tried using Power Query yet? Here's a secret: bosses don't want spreadsheets. They want answers. Dashboards are how you turn raw numbers into decisions. A dashboard in Excel shows KPIs at a glance, interactive filters like drop-downs or slices, clear visuals, charts, gauges, trends. Imagine being in a meeting and saying, "Here's our project status by team, budget variance, and forecasted completion, all in one view." That's not just Excel. That's strategy. Employers love dashboards because they help teams move fast. Master this, and you'll become the go-to analyst in your department. Got huge datasets slowing down your Excel? Power Pivot's your upgrade. It allows you to work with millions of rows, build relationships between tables like a database, use DAX formulas for deeper analysis. Say you're analyzing revenue by customer, product, and region. Power Pivot handles it without crashing your file. Think of it as Excel's secret weapon for big data jobs. Roles in finance, supply chain, and sales analytics heavily use Power Pivot for reporting. Master this, and you'll unlock Excel's full power. Rhetorical beat. Ever wondered why your Excel crashes while others are building massive reports? That's probably Power Pivot at work. Still doing the same copy-paste task every Monday morning? Time to let VBA handle it. VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is Excel's built-in coding language. You can build custom buttons, automate reports, loop through hundreds of files, send emails directly from Excel. Here's an example. An analyst at a hospital uses VBA to auto-generate 50 personalized reports instead of doing them manually every week. It's not just efficiency, it's time-saving at scale. Master this, and you become irreplaceable to your team. Quick question: what repetitive task would you love to automate in Excel? In 2025, Excel doesn't exist in a vacuum. Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence tool, and it integrates seamlessly with Excel. With Excel plus Power BI, you can push Excel models to interactive dashboards, share reports online with real-time updates, combine Excel formulas with enterprise-grade visuals. For many companies, Excel is still the data prep tool, and Power BI is the presentation layer. Data analysts, operations leads, and consultants are expected to know both. Real-world example: you prep data with Power Query, model with Power Pivot, and visualize with Power BI, a complete workflow that employers love. Master this, and you'll position yourself as a modern data professional. Let's quickly recap the top 5 Excel skills US employers want in 2025. Power Query: automate your data prep. Dashboards: turn numbers into insights. Power Pivot: handle big data like a pro. VBA: automate repetitive tasks. Power BI integration: bring your reports to life. In a world where AI and automation are changing how we work, Excel is still the foundation of data fluency. But it's no longer enough to know the basics. Learn these 5 skills, and you won't just be relevant. You'll be ahead of the curve. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. And with every skill you learn, you're building a career that can't be automated. So fire up Excel, open a blank workbook, and start experimenting. So, which of these 5 skills are you already using? And more importantly, which one are you learning next? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who's upskilling, and subscribe for more data-driven career tips. We've got tutorials, career breakdowns, and Excel deep dives coming your way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video with more tips to boost your data skills and career.